Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Usually you guys see us doing couples videos or our daily vlogs together.
But today we're gonna film update about coronavirus situation. We talked to some of our followers on social media and they sent us some recordings which we want to share with you today.
Yep, we got a couple of responses from a couple of different countries, so check it out. So the first clip we got for you guys comes from a follower in India.
And you can find his YouTube channel in description box below.
Hello guys, this is me Lakshey from India. I will be telling you the current situation of India right now. I hope you are in good health while watching the video. Let me directly come on topic, which is COVID-19 or coronavirus. From long time we all Indian were watching Big Boss, the highest TRP show. Now, our home has transformed into Big Boss house, so respect it. We all are getting salary on time to stay at home and to work from home.
I noticed that he's talking about Big Boss show. Do you know about this TV show?
Yeah, so we did some research and basically Big Boss is roughly based off of the Dutch show Big Brother. In Big Brother, there's a bunch of contestants kind of confined to one household and they kind of compete and it's an elimination type show. Now we're all confined in quarantine and throughout the world we're basically all contestants in similar circumstances to this show.
Yes, and stuck with our housemates, roommates in the same building, apartment, house. Yeah.
The first thing I noticed was he was talking about how a lot of citizens in India were able to maintain their salary and work from home.
Yes, and for us here in US, we're on quarantine around 20 days already. I think a lot of people, they can't make money. I mean, some percentage, yes, but for the most part, we all staying home and we can't work, so we have to worry about unemployment and any help government can help us, can give us.
Government is giving all the support for essential goods. In past, we all were having complaints about our life, that we don't get leaves from our office. We also need to give time to our family. Many work of home are pending, etc., etc. Then what happened now? Now, you have whole time, till the end date of lockdown.
So, listening to this recording right now, he was talking about time to focus on the family and that we have to communicate with our loved ones and make sure that they stay safe.
Yeah, he was mentioning this virus is so unpredictable that we don't know what's going to happen and it is targeting certain age groups or people with autoimmune
diseases or compromised immune
systems, yeah. So just take the time out of your day. I mean, I know I'm staying in contact with my family even though they're not too far away, and making sure that they're stay safe.
Yes.
Making sure that they're staying safe and stocked up on their essential supplies and also keeping in contact with your family overseas.
Yes, and I try to talk every day because we never know, and as you know, as we already heard on news, things can turn bad very fast.
Just remember, it's a disease which can make a huge disaster in future. There are some positive things happening because of coronavirus and many are negative also in India. Let's give the highlight to all the things. Modi ji and state government is doing a lot of things in this crucial situation, like increasing the quantity of ration goods, increasing the pension amount for old people, free 3-time food for poor people. Government now is not thinking about the economy crisis. They just want to save life of all the citizens of country right now. Police department is also supporting to maintain the discipline and situation of our country.
The next thing that kind of stood out to me was how they were increasing their food rations for their people. They were increasing higher pensions for their elderly employees, and also it really hit home that their government was not solely concerned with the health crisis and numbers, but rather really genuinely taking care of their people.
Yes, and I think other countries should take example looking at Indian government or even ours, that our government willing to help with some checks and some other programs.
Many celebrities are also supporting in this crucial time, like supporting in PM Cares Fund to fight against the corona by giving donations in huge amount. giving foods and essential good to poor people. And the most important people, doctor and hospital staff. We can call them God. Taking a high risk of their life but still working on to stop this disease. A huge salute to them. They are working 24 hours without taking leave or offs. A huge respect to all of them.
So talking about celebrities, some of celebrities, they are making statements and also donations to help communities in need, and I think it's great. Also in US.
Yeah, I noticed a couple of celebrities here in the United States kind of following the same trend and pattern. They're doing live videos, they're doing pictures on their feeds to kind of use their influence and reach to educate people and encourage social distancing and washing your hands, and also donating to their communities as well. So you see the same trends here in the United States as over in India.
Yes, and I also heard in Italy some celebrities, they donating a lot of stuff too.
Nice. So it's kind of a common theme amongst people with influence in the media that they're using those platforms and that reach on their social media for the good and better of the common people.
Yeah.
One of the next big points that really stood out to me was his tribute to the medical staff of these nurses and doctors, and really how much they've stepped up to the plate in India.
Yeah, and we're actually thankful for all doctors and nurses in all countries. They're working long hours, long shifts, and they're risking their lives.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Positive change in the environment. Because of lockdown in many countries, the air index is going on good level. Ozone layer has started to recover again. Less use of plastic, less air pollution, factories has stopped working, and many more. Let's come on negative and saddest part of this disaster. Listen now. The total number of active cases in whole world is 14.6 lakh and still on increasing, in which we have lost more than 85,000 people and still increasing. Are you all watching the situation of USA, Italy, Germany? If it happens in India, it will create a huge disaster. India have the largest population right now, which is 133.92 crores. If 30% get positive in India, then it will be 39 crore 90 lakh. And if from this 30% positive cases, let's imagine only 1% death cases in India, 30 lakh 90,000. So please wear mask, wash your hand till 20 seconds, don't touch your face. If important, then only travel outside. It's a request to all, please stay at home. Protect yourself and your family.
And him talking about environment, we can tell that right now it's definitely less pollution and way better air quality.
Yeah, one of my followers was comparing the Los Angeles air quality index to where he lives in the Midwest. And he said for the first time ever, Los Angeles air quality was actually lower than his home state. So we did some research, and today's air quality is an index of 9, and anywhere from 0 to 50 is good air quality, non-harmful. So it's healthy air that we're breathing.
Finally.
Yeah, so one of the silver linings to the health crisis is way better quality air. The ozone layer is actually repairing itself at the highest rate that anybody has seen. And there's a lot less pollutants in the air, like plastics and burning of these fossil fuels that are causing the breakdown and visibility of our air.
So finally Earth can breathe a little bit.
One of our followers reached out and said in their hometown there had been 10 people diagnosed with coronavirus, and out of those 9 out of 10 had actually recovered fully from the virus.
And he's starting to be a nurse. If you can donate any masks or gloves, it will be great, because right now nurses really need them.
Yeah, there's a lot of medical professionals that aren't trying to go into work because they're putting not only themselves at health risks, they're working these long shifts and hours, guys. So please, if you can, donate some gloves or masks to your local hospitals or medical facilities so these people are able to cure more people and help these people out quicker.
Yes.
And time is of the essence with this virus.
And they definitely will appreciate it. So guys, I got another message from my follower on Instagram, and he said that there was people who was going out in groups, or like all family was going to supermarket.
Yeah, you guys have to understand that you're multiplying the risk at contracting this virus. So I feel that there should be like an advocate, one, maximum two people that should go out at a time to pick up these essential.
Yes, and also in Italy they want to make it as a rule that only one person per family can go to supermarket.
Yeah, so see, right there guys, it's another example that we should take from another country saying that we should have an advocate or one person go out at a time.
That's all for today guys, thanks so much for watching, remember to stay safe.
Practice social distancing.
Don't forget to like,
comment, and
subscribe.
Bye.
That's all for today guys, thanks so much for watching. Okay. That's all for today guys, thanks so much for watching, remember to stay safe.
Always practice social distancing.
Don't forget to like,
comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.